One of the first activities that we did for the Perfect 10 concert was the photo shoot for the poster. We had 5 different layouts, all of them medyo sexy, mas mature, at mas edgy than what I usually do. And that's in line with the kind of show that we have conceptualized. I think the image that we chose perfectly captured it.
Ang galing nga kasi ako, this year, 10th year anniversary ko rin. So basically, nagsabay kami ni Sarah, nag-start in the industry. I'm so proud of her. Parang this celebration, parang celebration ko na rin sa sarili ko. Kasi parang 10 years na rin akong photographer. And it's nice to know na talagang sabay na sabay kami, 2003.
Mark Digdao, talagang big fan ako ng mga works ni Mark Digdao. Kung paano siya mag-capture ng mga photos. Talagang siya, artist talaga eh. At saka, he's the best talaga ng generation na ito. The best photographer of this generation. So, I'm honored at blessed to have him, di ba, bilang photographer ko at bilang suking photographer ko. Kasi collaborative din kasi siya eh. Hindi siya, okay, picture na lang kita. Ito. Nagtatanong siya, nag-collaborate kami, may exchange of inputs.
Hardworking si Sarah, mabait siya, professional. Yun din yung sinundan kong path. So, nakaka-relate ako sa kanya ng todo. Tsaka, most importantly, everything na kailangan gawin in terms of work, it's always like, you always give the best of what you can do, and yun yung nakikita ko sa kanya. Sophisticated, I guess, 20-something yung dating. Pati yung emotion niya. Meron pa rin mga light, smiling, candid shots, pero in that line, na sophisticated pa rin. Hindi na masyadong bagets na teenager. I guess that transition is coming.
So the shoot was great. Parang she was able to pull off the different looks that we did, and I think it all boiled down to the confidence. It's really just that, and I think she was very happy with the different looks that we did, and she owned it. She looked really good with her new hair. It was perfect. I think with this particular shoot, she knew that it had to be totally different from the old Sarah. So I think that's why she was very confident, and she was really very welcoming with the new looks that we did.
I'm sure hit na naman to, Sarah. So, in advance, congratulations, and thank you for always keeping me in your team. Congratulations to us. 10 years. Galing. Favorite layout, yung full shot na spread sa ulit, tsaka yung nakaupo siya na green dress. Kasi parang, I've never seen her like that. And she's super game. And I'm sure ako matutuwa yung mga fans niya. Kasi she's reinventing herself. And that's the best. If you're in this kind of industry, you have to keep on reinventing yourself.
Sarah, happy 10th. You are very blessed because you are such a wonderful, kind-hearted, and very light person. Go lang with that confidence. You know, what we love about you is that it's the Sarah that is just very, something that is very Filipina, a very Filipina Sarah. But at the same time, when we see you on stage, it's totally different. Parang you've just evolved, kind of Sarah.
Congratulations, Sarah. It's been 10 years since your first time in showbiz. As a performer, I wish you a lot of strength and stamina for your Perfect 10 concert, which I'm sure is going to be a success.
Hello
Hello guys, we're done with the photo shoot. Maraming salamat to my photographer, Mark Dicdao, to my glam team, Miss Jella Laurel, my makeup artist, and Raymond, my hairstylist. And syempre ang aking wardrobe, Pam Quinones. Thank you very much. Perfect 10 on November 15.